I was scrolling through my browser today and I found this website QuickAppNinja. I was so surprised. Is there any website like AppCreator24? But this is totally different because on this website you can only create a game, not application. What I mean by that is that you can't just create any type of application. It's only a gaming application you can create. So I decided to take a more closer look by clicking on the link and let's see how it works. And it's totally shocked me and it will definitely shock you too, because this website is so amazing. Guys, I can't believe this is possible. So guys, let's just check it out. So I need to register a new account using my Google account. And I've already created a new application which I forgot to screen record. I'm sorry guys, but it's simple to do. So this is currently if you are earning, but for now it's $0. So painful. So now let me just click on the edit icon. So let me see what we can do with this website, so called QuickAppNinja or whatever. So the game is loading. Okay, now let's see. Wow, it looks really great. So let's see, let me see how it works. So okay, the appearances is not bad. So okay. The main point of this video is that, guys, if you want me to do today about this application, this website rather, if I can get 10 people comment that they want this tutorial, then trust me, I'll surely look for a way to do this. So while you're still waiting for, subscribe and comment that you need this. So let me just go through this website. Let's see how it works. So okay, I actually don't know much about it now, but I'll actually learn if I receive 10 comments saying they need this from different 10 people, not just a single people or two. So from different 10 people. So this thing is not bad. Okay, I see it even have a automatically content creation, like it can generate the question itself. So now let me take a look at this AI, which is ChatGPT. So let me take from the example because I'm lost of idea right now. I don't even know what to type. So I'll be taking from the example. So let me just copy one from here. Let's see what it can do. Let's see the power of AI. Generate. What just happened? I don't think this AI is working because I tried countless time. It's just keep running. What the fuck? I don't get it. It's not working. It's totally rubbish. But let's just say it's for now because I don't know how to use it. We'll still look for some way to use it. Maybe in the future. Let's see. Let me see. Give it another try. Let's give it another try. Let's see. Let me copy another thing. Let me paste it right here and generate. Same thing, guys. This thing is so annoying. Fuck. I actually ended up giving up. So now let me see another features in this website. Yeah, let me see another feature. So let me just scroll down. Let me see the level one. Let me see what we can do with this. But for now, I'm just scrolling around. I actually don't know my way around. You see, I'm looking like a fool currently right now. I don't even know what to do, sir. But okay, let me just try to look for something. Let me try to put something in this space. I don't know how it works here. This thing's so confusing. Let me just say, what is the capital of France? Which is obviously, I don't know actually, but I'll just put Paris. If I'm right, I'm not sure about it, but let me just put Paris because Paris is one of the popular places in the world. So let me just say Paris as the answer. I actually don't know what I'm doing currently, if it's right or wrong, but let me just do this thing. So the second level, you have to do the same. Oh, this will take a lot of time. This will even take a whole day. What? Oh shit, man. I actually love the beat. It sounds like an action movie because I'm going to fight this thing because I don't understand anything here. Oh my god. But I'll try to do all for my fans. I'll try. So I'm going to try all the possible best that I can do to understand this thing. But actually I don't understand it. I won't lie to you guys. Actually I don't understand, but I will get to know. If I can receive 10 comments from 10 people, I will use all the day to learn this thing. So guys, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe and comment. That was the only thing you can help me with. Thank you guys. Let's still scroll around. Let's see what this website can do. I'm tired actually. As you can see, this game quantity is just 2%. Oh shit. I think I'll be ending this video now. You can go ahead and try. Go to the website yourself and try it yourself. You can even teach me if you understand anything there. Just inbox me and teach me what you know about this website. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye for now. Wait, don't close the video yet. I have an offer for you guys. My clone creator application is currently in closed testing and I need 20 people to do this thing for me. Actually, I can get this 20 tester myself, but I need you guys review. I know what I just want to know what to improve in this application. You can suggest the thing to do and change, and out of the 20 tester which we currently test my application, I will be choosing 2 people which have the best feedback. I'll be giving them 50% discount on the app uploading and any other thing he or she wants. So what are you still waiting for? Check the description now and message me that you want to apply for this testing. You could be the winner. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, make sure you subscribe and bye.